Time for a bit of nature. Nice canal walk, I think. Let's go. Can you see somebody? Should we go for the walkies? Come on, baby. Let's go. Do it. Come on, monkey. Okay. Violet wasn't really feeling the walk this morning. It's a little bit damp underfoot. It's still a little bit chilly, but it's not windy. But she really, yeah, she didn't want to be outside. She kept dragging to come back, so we didn't walk that far down the river canal. She's had a lunch, and she's had one of her little cakes from the doggy bakery at Cheddar Gorge. She's got one left now. I love that little shop. It's really cool. But yeah, it's time for some lunch, so I've got to try and figure something out of whatever I've got in. This is a nice little car park near this canal. There's quite a few people coming and going. It's Saturday, and it's been half term as well, so I'm guessing people are trying to get out with the kids while they've still got them at home, and then they've got school next week. I think they're all back next week. Violet's grumbling at everybody. She keeps cuddling up on my knee, seeing somebody, hearing somebody, and then yeah, having a little grumble. I keep sending her back to her bed, and then she keeps coming out for another cuddle, and then she's good for a few minutes and she grumbles again. I'm trying to get her a habit of grumbling at people, but I'm not sure that's possible. I think it's a Dashy thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go sort myself some lunch now. Nice and muddy everywhere. Violet's nappy about something between her foot and the first bend in her leg. Something's bothering her. I've tried having a look, but I just walked her back probably about a mile down the canal by carrying her. I've tried looking at her foot and I can't see anything, so I've just put her on a blanket hoping that she'll sort it out herself. She seems to have settled now. Hey, you look okay now? Is it okay? Oh baby. Right, it's a wet whitewash in my jacket. I don't know where to start. I'm so covered. I think I need a shower. Violet's alright now because I've been carrying her for like, I don't know, 20 minutes or something, 15 minutes. She's not got mud on her anymore. I don't understand people that get upset about a bit of dirt. It's just dirt, isn't it? It comes off, it washes off. Yeah, I need another shower. I think if I can get it off me, then I can take the coat off and worry about that when it's off. Ah, let's stay at that. I don't know. Still chewing a fork. There we go. She's much better. Whatever it was, she sorted it out. She went and settled in the front, so I've just covered her in a blanket. I think she's tired now. Time for a little nap. Poor baby. There we go. I'm sorted as well. I think I've got most of it. My hands could do the proper wash. I'll do that now. The Violet has had her nap. I think her leg's okay now. She's had about an hour and a half, and then cars are coming and going and banging doors, so they've disturbed her. So we're going to go find a parking spot for the night. It's about another half an hour from here, and yeah, hopefully it's somewhere we can stay overnight. Online it says it's just a car park where people walk the dogs, but yeah, we'll wait to see till we get there what it actually says. But yeah, from the pictures I found online, it looks like a good spot, but we shall see. Right, let's go do it. We are parked on an industrial estate. It's the weekend, it's quiet. The view's much better. There's trains at the end, so we're walking to the end of them. It's getting warm in here. 23.9 degrees. And the bathroom's 18.6. It's always a little bit cooler in there. Right, dinner's in the oven. Reduced price pizza. And I will try my best to eat it all and not waste any. And if there is some left, I will probably eat it tomorrow for breakfast. Tomorrow I'm having off. I'm not going to vlog tomorrow. It has been almost 2 weeks. I've done every day. And yeah, I'm going to have a break. Depending on what day this goes out, it might not actually make any difference to you. But I'm just going to take, yeah, it'll be Sunday tomorrow. Violet is absolutely fine now. She's not limping or licking her leg. She's just napping. She enjoyed that little walk. She was hopping around. There wasn't many people around, which makes her happy. Makes me happy too. And when she's happy, that makes me happy. Yeah, pizza for dinner. We've got a lovely quiet spot on an industrial estate. There's the odd person coming up and down. The steam railway that's here is closed at the moment. I'm guessing they'll probably open in Easter. Someone's just walked past. She's growling at him. How dare you come near? This is my land. Shh, it's okay. I don't know. Scary guard dog. You'd have sausage. I can't remember what we're saying now. Yeah. Steam railway. I think it opens in Easter. I think it's just finished half term now. I thought it'd be open, but the bit that's kind of near where the van is, this end of the car park, the car park's closed, and there's big piles of like gravel and stuff. But yeah, I'm guessing they're going to open at Easter. I do like a steam railway. You know, the whole coal fire smell. Right, I'm going to drink my tea. Wait for my pizza to do, and yeah, finish editing today's and enjoy a nice, quiet, peaceful tomorrow. Last night again it was gone 11 by the time I finish editing, so I'm ready for a break. I've decided that's it. I need a break. I need a day off. Yeah, depends what I see, doesn't it? Terrible. See something that, you know, might be interesting, I can't help but point my phone at it now. It's turned into a bad habit. Anyway, yeah, time for pizza shortly. There we go, that's dinner. I'm going to start with half the pizza. We'll see how far I get with the rest of it.